Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to download any Samsung Galaxy original ROM for your tablet or phone. Okay, you need to know the region, the code for the USA is SAR. Okay, so you need to know. And my model is the SMT800. It is Samsung. Okay, so we need to download the program, and we just go to soundfirmtool.com. Okay, and just go down here and download this one right here. Okay, this is the one that works for me. Okay, so you just download that. It's right here. You can choose either one. I'm going to choose this one. Just download it. Okay, give me a second. Okay. Oh, okay. So now we are going to downloads, and it's right here. We open it, and we go right here to applications. Okay, where it says application. Oh no! First you have to unzip it. Okay. First you have to extract it. Okay, and then you can work with the folder. Okay, so the Windows 11 is a pain in the neck. Just go here and say run it, and this is the old one. Remember, use the old one. Don't use those a new one. So mine is the SMT800. Okay, and the code, the region right here is SAR. Okay, and always keep it here. Okay, don't do it manually, do it automatically. Okay, and that's it. Just check for update, and it'll show you right here. Okay, but remember, you have to use the old version. Okay, so now all you have to do is just download. Press here, download, and they're going to ask you to save it. I already have it, but I'm going to save it. Okay, so let me see. Where is? See, I have it right here. Already download, and it's downloaded again. So let me stop it, and I'll come back when it's done. Okay. Yeah, there it goes. This was really fast. Well, the internet is really fast. That's why. So now he's gonna do some other checking. But this is how you download any ROM for a tablet or a phone. Mine is a tablet. Okay. So and let me see if it's already here. Oh, it's going here. Yeah, it's almost done. See, I already have it here, but it's almost done. It's doing it again. well, not again. It's gonna be the second one. It just finishing. Uh, so okay, now it's almost done. It's right here. Finish it. Okay, that's it. It's all done. That's how you download any ROM for your phone or a tablet. Uh, Remember, if you like this video, please share, like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.